Okay, so today Box released this really cool feature called HTML editor. So now you can actually store HTML files on Box, edit it, collaborate on it directly on Box. So let me show you how it works. So here I have my Finance Hub and I have this file called Asset Allocation Summary. And this is honestly just a fake summary, but I have my portfolio value, my current asset allocation, detailed asset breakdown, my goals and portfolio strategies, all the stuff that I want to know about my finances. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, hey, create a visually appealing HTML page of the asset allocation summary in the Finance Hub Box folder and store it on Box. Since my ChatGPT is connected to the Box MCP, is asking for permissions, I'm just going to hit always allow so that it doesn't pop up continuously. All right, so it seems like ChatGPT created the HTML file. Let's take a look at it. Nice, that looks pretty clean. Look at that. It's pretty, it's got diagrams, it's got graphs. Looking good, looking good. Okay, so that's cool. Now I can look at my portfolio in a visually appealing HTML page. But I kind of want to see if I change my risk tolerance level, like how would that affect my potential gains in the future? All right, so back in our conversation with ChatGPT, I'm going to ask it, hey, nice. Now create a new interactive profit calculator using JavaScript where it shows my potential gains when I change my risk tolerance level. All right, it seems like ChatGPT created the calculator. Let's take a look at it. All right, let's see. Okay, so we now have this adjust scenario section. Oh, nice. It changes the projected value, potential gains. It's showing me this nice graph. Very cool. Oh, I can even change my portfolio value. Let's make it 2 million. Let's see what happens. There you go. Hey, this is super cool. And what's really cool about this is that these MCP apps which is basically these interactive HTML pages that you create within your conversations with AI. It's really nice that you can create these interactive apps inside of a conversation and maintain the context of your conversation. But sometimes you want to kind of make sure that these apps persist and they don't go away. Just by uploading the HTML file to Box, you now have a persistent, permanent place where this interactive MCP app is live and is instantly shareable with your teammates via just sharing with email. You can comment on it. You can tag your teammates. You can create cool reports and presentations for your teams and meetings. I think this is super cool. Oh, and before you go, let me show you something really cool. My manager created Flappy Bird and uploaded to Box. So you can play with this Flappy Bird game. Let's see if I can get some points here. 1, 2, crap. Okay, so I got 3 points. I'll leave a link in the below so you can try it out yourself and play with it. Let's see if you can get more points than me. But yeah, have fun with it. I think MCP apps are really cool. It's very flexible. It's very lightweight. And now you have a way to play around with it, edit it, share those HTML files with your teams directly on Box. So give it a try.